get challenged and forced to exert yourself spiritually, mentally, physically, and intellectually. And in this exertion, you start growing. When you get challenged and forced, so you are gonna get plenty of problems, difficulties, troubles. When you are gonna get plenty of difficulties, so what is gonna happen? You are gonna sustain the growth, success, which is in you, but you are unable to judge it. But through these difficulties, you will develop the foundation. This foundation helps you to sustain the tremendous growth which is gonna approach through these difficulties. Let me give you the example. We already know about the fern seeds and bamboo seeds. If you put both seeds in the earth, so what would happen? Fern seeds within a week starts shooting, and within couples of weeks it converts into a big tree, grown plant, and it spreads itself very very soon. On other hand, if you look at the bamboo, so it does not come. 1 year goes by like this, second year also goes by like this. If you talk about third year and fourth year, these 4 years also go by like this. But fifth year, the shoot starts emerging, and within a couple of weeks, that plant that reaches up to 2 feet height, and within 6 months or within 6 months it reaches up to the 80 feet height. So when we look at the bamboo plant, then we realize it. So what bamboo does up to 5 years, it develops the foundation. Why? Because it knows it is gonna get the strength, and that speeds, it continues to speed up to 6 months, up to 80 feet. So when a bamboo plant knows that the strength which is bamboo plant gonna get after 5 years, but it deepens its roots just because of getting that, sustaining the strength which bamboo plant is gonna get after 5 years, after 4th year. So why that happens? Because when we get challenged, when we get forced, it means we are gonna develop ourselves. So we are not to get distressed, we are not to get dismayed, we are to get these plenty of problems for making ourselves better. What is the human perspective on the growth? Human perspective is on growth, that if a human starts earning economically, his salary is increasing, this is the growth for the human. Or else that just one the guy switches from the flat to the bungalow, that is the growth. It's a human's perspective. But the real perspective of the real human life is that one person really grows from inside. Really, are you growing from inside? If you are developing from inside, if you are improving from inside, it means that is called the real growth. So the real growth approaches when we face lots of difficulties, because through these difficulties we are gonna develop our foundation. Just because of this foundation, we can stand and we can sustain the growth up to 80 feet and more than 80 feet, as bamboo sustains. So what do you feel when you get challenged, when you get forced? So do you develop the foundation to get the growth, or you get stressed? It's up to us. But real growth comes within us, from within us. Thank you guys for listening to me.